Well, hey guys, and welcome to this quick video just trying to explain how do you download Instagram Live videos. As you know, you can share Instagram Live videos once you've been live by sharing them to your story, where they'll be for 24 hours. But what if you want to take that content, repost it as YouTube, IGTV, cut it up, share snippets of it? Currently, there's not a way to obviously do that. However, there is a nice little plugin and a couple of kind of workarounds that we're going to look at how to do that quickly now. So this is fairly easy, but it is a little bit fiddly. So let's just go with the flow. So first off, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need to be using Google Chrome as your browser. That's because we're going to use a plugin called Save IG Live Story. So if you don't already have Google Chrome, then make sure go ahead and download that. That's free. Just search for it and open that up, and then search for this Save IG Live Story. I'll put the links at the bottom somewhere, but this is what you want to download. And if you click over here, instead of saying remove, it'll actually say, hey, download or something like that. So you can add that, and that will add this little extension over here. You'll see it kind of looks like Instagram. So the second thing you're also going to need is, at least I needed this, maybe you won't, is audio hijack. I found that using this plugin, there were some problems downloading the audio, and it was just kind of, I don't know, it was just weird. Whenever I tried to edit it, had some issues. Audio hijack is going to help fix that and kind of, I suppose, like re-export that file. If that sounds terribly boring, then don't worry, because I'm going to explain. So I'm going to head over to Hope City, London. We've had an Instagram Live today, so I know there's one to download. As far as I can tell, you can only download your own live videos. So come on over here to Save IG Live Story, and we're going to click. Give it a few moments, and here you can see live video replays. You can also download other people's stories if you so desire. So we're going to click on download, and as you can see, we've got a couple of faces here. Open audio URL, open video URL. So let's click on open audio. We have to download them separately. There we go. So we've got that coming. So we're going to click on the three dots and click download. That will now start downloading over there. Let's head on back, or rather, let's head back. Okay, we're going to go through that process again. Click again on the Save IG logo, and back to the stories and the download button. And we're going to scroll down, and we're going to go open video URL. And you can see you get some options for size. I would suggest you pick the biggest, which is this one. We're going to click on that, and again, we do the three dots, and we're going to download. You have now got your all of your video, which is the same quality as far as I can tell, and you've also got your audio. Now here's where it gets tricky, because you do need some sort of video editing program to bring these two together. You can do that on your phone on a program, but I would use Adobe Premiere. That's kind of a problem for you to figure out. But I would just say this about the audio, is that I find that the audio has been really, just a really weird format. It's kind of, it says that it's corrupted. I don't know if that's just my Mac or something like that. But really quickly, a quick way of fixing that is to go to Audio Hijack, if you've installed that already. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna find this file. This is the audio over here, which is now gonna play, hopefully. Okay, you can see we've actually got some problems playing this file, which is fantastic. So we're just going to go show that in the Finder, which is going to pop up, and we're just going to open that with iTunes, I'm fairly sure, or could be QuickTime Player as well. Let's see if we can open this with iTunes. It does not want to open it. Okay, here we go. We've got iTunes. So we're going to open it with iTunes. Now, what you're going to find is this audio file will play in something like iTunes, but it won't work in a kind of an editor. So there we go. So we've got some audio coming through. I'm going to go to Audio Hijack, wherever you are, and I'm going to choose my application here. This is basically choosing where you're going to record from. I'm going to choose iTunes, and I am going to start playing from the start, and I'm going to press record here. I'm also going to turn my output device off because I don't really want to listen to it while it's recording. I'm gonna have to wait now 32 minutes 40, which is not ideal, but this could be running in the background. I'm gonna press record right here, which is starting to record, I believe. Yeah, it's waiting for the sound to come through, and then we're gonna click play over here. Now this is now gonna start playing. Audio Hijack, you can see, is now recording. When you get to the end of 32 minutes, make sure you press stop, and you can find that recording over here and do whatever you need to do with it. You've now got a working audio file, working video file. Use it as you will, and put that thing together. Hope that's helpful. I know it's not a very simple solution, but it is a solution, and it's a great way to reuse your content.